welcome to Dr. Anima Upadhyay's Chemistry Lab videos. Today's topic is salt bridge. Before I start this topic, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel and also to like and share my videos among your friends. Salt bridge is an important part of a galvanic cell. Whenever we are performing potentiometric titrations or pH metric titrations, we are working on galvanic cells. A galvanic cell is made up of two half cells, anodic half cell and cathodic half cell. In both the half cells, electrodes of different metals are immersed in the solution of their own ions. For example, zinc in zinc sulfate solution, copper in copper sulfate solution. And when the two electrodes are connected with the help of a wire, the electrons start flowing from anode towards the cathode. This results into a slight negative charge at the cathode and a slight positive charge at the anode. As a result of which, the further flow of the electrons is stopped. So there will be only a flash flow of the current and then it will stop. To resolve this problem, if a salt bridge is introduced in the two half cells with one limb of the salt bridge in cathodic half cell and the other limb in the anodic half cell, the two solutions are connected with the help of salt bridge and this will resume the flow of the electric current because the electrons that comes at the cathode are accepted by the cations present in the electrolyte and they get reduced at the electrode, that is cathode. As a result of this reduction, the anions are in excess. These anions enter the salt bridge and they reach the anodic compartment where they attack the electrode and dissolves it. In this way, the electrical neutrality is also maintained in both the half cells. You can, as I have given you the example, zinc in zinc sulfate, copper in copper sulfate. So CuSO4 and ZnSO4. When the electrons are coming in the cathodic compartment, that is in the copper half cell, the copper ions present in the copper sulfate electrolyte gets reduced and sulfate ions are in excess. These sulfate ions enter the salt bridge and reaches the anodic compartment. There they attack the zinc electrode and dissolves it. In this way, the electrical neutrality is maintained. Now, how to construct the salt bridge? The construction is very simple and easy. You have to take one long, narrow glass tube which is bent twice at right angles with both the limbs of almost equal size. Clamp it with the help of two clamps so that the two limbs are facing upwards with their open ends. Now prepare a solution of agar-agar by adding the colloid agar-agar in hot boiling water. Add an inert electrolyte to it such as potassium chloride or potassium nitrate or ammonium chloride or ammonium nitrate. Dissolve these electrolytes in the agar-agar solution and in the hot condition only you pour this solution in the two limbs of the salt bridge. The addition of the pouring of the electrolyte should be done in such a way that there should not be any air gap or bubbles. Now when it cools down, the agar-agar, which is a colloid, it will form a jelly-like substance which will hold the electrolyte in the salt bridge and will not allow it to flow out of the salt bridge. Now plug the open ends with the help of glass wool. This solution we have prepared in hot boiling water, distilled water. So it is an aqueous solution of an inert electrolyte in agar-agar solution. Once it is cooled, you can immerse it by immersing one limb in the cathodic half cell and other in the anodic half cell, and it will act as a salt bridge by allowing the passage of the anions through it. Now coming to the functions of the salt bridge. I have already explained to you that it maintains neutrality in both the half cells. Electrical neutrality is maintained. It allows the passage of ions. It does not take part because we are using the inert electrolyte, so it will not take part in the chemical reaction, and also it will maintain the electrical current, that is the flow of the electrical current is maintained. The electrons will keep moving in the external circuit through the wire and in the internal circuit through the salt bridge. So I have tried to explain the construction and working and the principle and the significance of salt bridge in detail. If you have any queries, please leave the question in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching.